Okay, what about fermenters and equipment? You do need some equipment to do wine, but to make your very first one, if it's your first time, don't go out and buy a bunch of equipment. Um, if you find out you don't like it, then you're going to get stuck with equipment that you're not going to get your money back from. And you don't need it to make your first wine. You can make a simple juice wine right in the bottle that it comes in. That's what I used to do. And I used the water jugs, the spring water jugs. I also used those. Um, I bought this one at the Big W store. It holds 5 gallons, got this little spigot, and I was going to use it temporarily, but it turns out I love this thing so much that I got a second one. It works great, lets the gas out, keeps the bugs out. It's 5 gallons, so it gives you plenty of room to make some wine and put some fruit in there and have it bubble up and it doesn't overflow all over the place. Um, like I said, eventually I'll get some carboys, but for now, this is good. I got a couple of hydrometers, and I'm in business. I'm enjoying myself. The whole upshot, like I said, if it's your first time, don't go out and spend a lot of money on equipment. You don't need it. And I'll show you along the way how to get around that stuff. And as I said, if you find out it's a hobby you want to get into, then you can go out and buy a bunch of stuff. You should, however, buy a hydrometer. That you really do need. Okay, well, I'll see you later. Bye.